Assalamu alaikum dear students of grade 2. This is Anamyas, your Islamiyat teacher. Hope you are fine. I am here with the 13th lecture of your book, that is Namaz. Namaz is a special prayer which is performed by the Muslims of the world. It is worship of Allah. In Arabic, Namaz is called salat. Namaz is an important and second pillar of Islam. There are 5 first namaz in a day. All Muslims must pray 5 times a day. Children should start praying at the age of 7 and it becomes compulsory at the age of 10. We face the Khana-e-Kaaba when we offer our namaz. We read passages or surahs from the Quran in namaz. It is the first thing to be asked about on the day of judgment. Allah says in Quran, "Pray to me, I will hear your prayer." Now your home task is, you will write the answers of the given question and send me through my email. First question is, what is namaz? And second question is, at what age namaz becomes compulsory? Allah Hafiz.